Welcome to the training on proper cleaning procedures to use in a hotel room. There are 4 key products used when cleaning a hotel room. The first is a bath and bowl cleaner, which is used to clean the toilet, bathtub, shower, vanity, and sink. Then, the all-purpose disinfectant cleaner is used to disinfect all high touch points such as furniture, remotes, telephones, lamps, and all restroom surfaces. Next, glass cleaner is used to clean any glass surface, including mirrors, windows, and decorative pictures. Finally, spray an air freshener evenly around the room to leave behind a pleasant scent and eliminate lingering odors. Please note that this training is based on a full cleaning cycle after a guest checkout. Consult with your own procedures and make note of what steps are not done when cleaning an occupied room. Before we begin, be sure to put on safety gloves to protect your hands from direct chemical contact and prevent harmful bacteria from spreading. Let's start cleaning in the bathroom by stripping the area of all used linens and taking out the trash. Then you will want to dust, starting with the ceiling and working down. Use the duster with an extension handle to clean areas which cannot be reached by hand, including the tops of partitions, ceiling vents, and ledges. Next, use the bath and bowl cleaner to spray down the shower, including the walls, fixtures, and tub, the vanity sink area, and inside the toilet bowl. Let the cleaner sit for a few minutes to dissolve soap scum. Use a towel to wipe down all surfaces in the shower and vanity sink until clean and dry. Be sure to wipe under any objects on the vanity. Use a toilet brush to thoroughly scrub the interior of the toilet bowl and then flush to rinse. Once the surfaces are clean, use an all-purpose disinfectant cleaner to wet any contact surfaces, including the faucet and counter areas surrounding the sink, the exterior of the toilet bowl, including both sides of the lid and seat, and the shower fixtures and tub. Let the disinfectant sit for 10 minutes to kill germs and bacteria while you move on to other cleaning tasks. Use the glass cleaner to spray mirrors and chrome equipment. Wipe off with a paper towel to avoid streaks. While we're waiting for the disinfectant to kill germs and bacteria in the bathroom, let's start cleaning the hotel room. First, you want to turn on the lights and open the drapes to see clearly. If possible, open the windows to air out the room while cleaning. Let's start by dusting the room. Again, you want to dust by starting with the ceiling and working down. Use a duster with an extension handle to clean areas which cannot be reached by hand, including the tops of partitions, ceiling vents, and ledges. You will also want to dust the furniture and TV. Next, take the trash out and strip the bedding. Once the used bedding has been stripped, make the bed with clean linens. Then, use the all-purpose disinfectant cleaner and a towel to disinfect door handles, locks, light switches, remote, phone, clock, microwave, and furniture touch surfaces. Spray the glass cleaner onto windows and mirrors. Then use a paper towel to avoid streaks while wiping dry. Now that the restroom surfaces have been disinfected properly, use the towel to thoroughly wipe down the sink vanity area and shower. Use a paper towel to wipe the exterior of the toilet dry, then dispose of the paper towel. Use a broom to sweep the bathroom floor of any dirt or hair. After sweeping, you will use a mop to clean the floor with an all-purpose cleaner or disinfectant. Now that we're finished deep cleaning the bathroom, let's move back into the bedroom area. Use a towel to thoroughly wipe down all areas in the bedroom where disinfectant was used. To finish the room cleaning process, vacuum the carpeting free of dirt and hair, then spray the room with an air freshener to give it a pleasant scent and eliminate any lingering odors. Finally, stock the bathroom, bedroom, and closet with appropriate items. This concludes this training on how to efficiently clean a hotel room using quality products from State Cleaning Solutions.